Hello, it's me, Gian. This is not a usual episode for Gian Talks Random Things, but I am not sure I'm going with if I can set this clear or make things straight because what I'm saying is still nonsense to me, and so do you. And that's because I still have problems with socializing, and that's the point of this video, cause I know what it feels like to still being haunted by what you have done, your mistakes, like pissing someone off, like that. It's kind of like, what do you even want from them? Do you even want their voices? But to be fair, I think that I should really need to talk about this, for at least if I wanted to, but many times. I can talk about it many times, I don't care, but as long as I should address it. I'm going to answer the questions that you never even asked in the first place, but I have to. Gian, do you think of starting a new channel, starting a new persona, starting a new, well, well, res- having a fresh start, refresh yourself? Short answer, no. Long answer, I don't think I need that, but I've seen people changing their names or having a transition. But same concept. What I mean is that they are trying to move on from the past. But me, well, I can move on from the past, but I still have to be on the same skin. It's just that. It's just that. I can redeem myself. What if I try to redeem myself? Is that can be possible, right? Well, maybe. If I can, at least it's worth it. So, I am. I don't want to tell you this, but I almost got to the point of shaving tendons. I never wanted to, but I almost got to the point of ending myself. And I sure need help, to be fair. But let's just say okay, now Gian, how is That's a Wrap? How are your projects like? How are your projects like Inception, ZBG Flap, or That's a Wrap? Well, because of my current state right now, I favor of taking a break or trying something out. And what about those voice acting shenanigans you have? Like, you got a new friend and then you proceeded to make this move where you say, wanna work with me on my project, and then proceeded to send every line and then not use it. Which is unnecessary at first, but listen to me, I've done this for like, say, I've done this for like 4 years now. Almost 5 years. It was 2021. I started doing this back in 2021. Actually, it was 2020 when uh, I still remember someone named Amoka, but you know. But anyways, I'm still doing that, and I cannot stop because at this point, eh, I don't know what to do with it. And by the year 2025, I gone with developing my tactics such as um, changing friend nicknames on Discord, changing, and then saying if they want to be my friend forever. And but later, things took a sudden turn when they would unfriend me for a sudden reason, and then when they unfriend me, I have to tell someone who's mutuals with them and tell them I asked someone why that person unfriended me. But Gian, uh, all I could tell you that is that all I can tell you is that maybe they have discomfort, maybe they don't want to be with you anymore, but maybe just leave them alone. Why could not I it's not like I never learned how to live alone, but it's like it's like they really mad to me sometimes. Gian, if you're still being haunted by your past mistakes, all you have to do is to what if hold on, is it oh no. Oh no, the camera is heating now. Heating up. I'm still before I conclude this video, all I have to say is that I have other projects in hand that is part of That's a Wrap. I'm going to try do something about it, but don't um by it will not be voice acted by the way because I don't want to. I don't think it'd be worth it. I have to end this video now. I will make a part 2 if I want, but you know what? To end this, I'm going to close this and get some good night's sleep. My chest hurts.